Look at this. This is where we ended up, and I am so in love with how this turned out. This is Little Keeper of the Coop, one of 3 prints in my Simple Country Days collection, and today I transformed a thrifted frame to be the perfect home for her. Here's where we started. This is the frame before I touched it. Heavy, dark gold, beautiful bones, but completely wrong for Little Keeper's soft, warm palette. And this is the print next to it before anything was done. You can already see they don't belong together yet. But by the end of this video, they are going to look like they were always meant to be together, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got there. For the frame, I chose Sweet Pickins milk paint in the color Antique Ironstone, and milk paint comes in a powder form and you just mix it. Equal parts milk paint to equal parts warm water. I always stir it up for a couple of minutes first, and then I set it aside for about 10 minutes to thicken up because you want it the consistency of a melted milkshake. And now I'm just going to give the frame 2 coats of the milk paint and letting it dry completely in between each coat. Now that my milk paint is dry, I'm just taking a piece of 220 grit sandpaper and sanding the entire frame just to make sure that any lumps or bumps are knocked down, and if there's any chipping that's going to happen, the sanding is going to take care of that. My favorite way to seal milk paint in is by using Sweet Pickins dark oil wax. I am just taking a chip brush and I'm applying the oil wax to the entire frame. Once I get the frame coated with the oil wax, I will set it aside for about 10 minutes because I really want that oil wax to absorb into that milk paint. It's been about 10 minutes and now I'm just taking a dry paper towel and wiping off all of that excess oil wax. What I like to do is use one hand to wipe off the excess oil wax and use my other hand with a paper towel in it to hold the project in place. Because oil wax, you can get fingerprints in it and I don't want that. That's why I like to use the paper towel in my other hand to hold it in place. And so now I'm going to get all of this excess oil wax removed until my paper towel comes up clean or almost clean. And there she is, little keeper of the coop, finally home. That frame went from heavy dark gold to this beautiful antique ironstone finish with all that incredible carved detail showing through. And I used Sweet Pickins milk paint and a dark oil wax to get there. Both links are in the description if you want to try this for yourself. Now, Little Keeper is actually part of a free collection I created called Simple Country Days. There are 3 prints total: Little Keeper of the Coop, the Farmhouse Shelf, and Washing Day, and they are completely free. No catch, no credit card, just beautiful vintage prints straight to your inbox. The link is the very first link in the description. Before and after, same frame. I just love how this turned out so much. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. I post new projects every single week, and there is always something beautiful coming. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you next time.